This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see the background apps running on your Android phone. So what you want to do is go to the top right, and we have to unlock the developer options to see this option. So we want to go to settings and then scroll all the way down to about phone. You can see I already have developer options unlocked, but let's go to about phone right here. Tap this, scrolling down. You might see build number under this screen for you, but for my Samsung phone, I need to go to software information, go to build number and tap this 5 times. And then turn on the developer options. On your other phones, it might be under system now, scrolling down to developer options, but for mine, it's just simply under where about phone is right here. Then we can go down, and we should be able to see the option for running services, and you can see all the background apps running now. So you can see how much memory is being used by which apps under here, and you can try closing down that process too under here, so you can go to stop. And you can just force stop it too, and it should stop it from running now. So here's my One UI. This one doesn't have the option, but this is how you can easily see what is running. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.